The lizard freezes in shock. It spends hours cleaning its front legs. These are its chief weapon. Its attack takes only a fraction of a second. Once caught, the victim has not the slightest chance of escape. The mantis will eat it alive. It may not inject any venom like the ants, but its jaws are fearsome weapons. The lizard, stupefied with pain, believes it can still shake off its attacker. Now the giant mantis switches over from being the hunted to the hunter. Anything that moves is fair game. It sets to work without a moment's delay. In a few hours, the lizard will be a mere skeleton. Finally, the deadly weapons are cleaned again, ready for the next time.